Cambridge real estate market in June has revealed a few things. First and foremost, it is still a very strong seller's market. However, some good news for buyers is we're starting to see the market cool down a little bit. The amount of active listings in the residential resale home market remained very low. When you compare to June of 2020, the amount of active listings actually decreased 39%. This is part of the reason why we're seeing such a strong seller's market. There just aren't that many homes out there for buyers to look at. When we look at June compared to May, the amount of active listings was actually down 9%. Now with such a big decrease, we would expect to see the prices spike, but the opposite has actually occurred. We saw a 2% decrease in the average sale price from last month. With that being said, if we look at June of 2020, we have seen a 28% increase in the average sale price. Now this month, detached homes fared the best, where they only saw a 1% decrease in the average sale price, and apartment condos didn't do so great. They saw a 12% decrease in the average sale price. Now you have to take this number with a bit of a grain of salt, because this big decrease could in part be due to the difference of modest versus luxury condos that were sold. Now we're seeing 79% of homes sell above the asking price. This is indicating a very strong seller's market, but when we compare to last month, that number actually decreased 3%, and it's looking like that number keeps decreasing month by month. On average, houses are selling 11% above the list price. Now we did see one home this past month that actually sold for 1.5 times its list price. Now that is probably because the sellers actually listed a lot lower than what they were willing to take, and they held off on offers for a week, which creates a bidding war. Depending on the type of house that you have to sell, you may want to do the list low and hold off strategy, or you may want to just go back to the more traditional style where you list at a price that you're willing to accept and just take offers as they come. I'll admit this is still a very frustrating market for buyers, but it's getting much easier than it has been so far. Is finding a home going to get a little bit easier as the year continues? We'll be watching. I'm Trish Lewis from the Go Wild team at RE/MAX. If you have any questions about the Cambridge real estate market, please reach out and I'd be happy to help.